Hi everyone, my name is Dhiran Mistry and I work at the Barrett Salon in Bergdorf, Goodman, and I'm here today, Cassie, to show you some curly hair updos. At the moment, Cassie's hair is already curly. She has great curly hair, which makes this a lot easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is just show you some really simple ways of pinning up hair. They're very, very simple, anything you can do yourself at home. All you need is a few bobby pins, and there doesn't have to be a necessary structure to this. All you need to do is grab pieces as you see them and just pin them up. So I'm going to start at the bottom just to get the hair off the neck. So we're going to do a complete updo. So if I just split the head in half, I'm going to lift all of this out the way and pin it. And then what we're going to do is just take some of these pieces at the back and just sort of twist them around your hands. If I take this, I'm just going to twist it around my hand and just pin it. So you want to press the pin in against the scalp, like so. And this will work as a really good base to hold the other pins that we pin afterwards. So again, just twist it around. So now we've created more of a base. I can use that to pin the other parts of the hair into it. So really you could do this with as little as 5 or 6 pins. So I'm going to take this and just pin it in there like that. So I'm just grabbing bits of hair, looping them around with the pin and just popping them in like that. And the great thing about this is you never see the pins. And then once you've finished, you can just pull bits out and manipulate them just to create the right shape that you want. I don't want it to be too big on the sides because Cassie has a great face. We don't want it to look too big. Obviously it's going to look too like 80s if she gets like massive curls. So we just want to keep it under control but still having, you know, a nice form to it. And then you can always add a bit of hairspray at the end. If this was more of a daytime thing, then you probably don't want to put too much hairspray because you can then just pull the pins out later and just rock some big curls. There we have it. This is how to do a curly updo.